What's up, guys? It's your girl Chandra.
It's your boy Ladarius.
And we are the Johnson family. We back with another video, y'all. So, we was told that we need to eat some hot stuff.
This is gonna hurt.
So, y'all, we got 14 boneless wings or whatever. And so, we're going to use some 2 times hot sauce.
Now, I'm going to put a twist on it. We're going to put it on our chicken sandwich, too. We're going to up it up a notch.
He tripping. I got me some wrench, y'all. So, y'all can call it cheating if you want, but I got to have some wrench.
I ain't got no wrench.
So, I'm going to put the hot sauce on it. Y'all, we got this from Amazon. B Loves Life got us eating this, y'all. And it's fire. Look, y'all.
Who you want to challenge on this? Who you want to call out on this? That's going to hurt.
He said put it on the chicken sandwich.
That's going to hurt. That's going to burn. Make sure you get it enough. Oh, you want to put it in ranch,
and I
too.
put a little bit in my ranch.
I don't think they still equal up to mine. Oh, snap. Gotta go light on this. This stuff ain't cheap. I put it on there. Oh, oh no. That's too much. Okay.
Alright, y'all. We got us a timer over here to see how long it's going to take us, okay? It's on 0. So, we're going to say our grace and then we're going to get started. 1, 2, 3, go. God is grace, God is good. Let's thank for our food, by our sins, who our faith gives, whatever. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Yes, y'all. I still say the little kid prayer or whatever. A prayer is a prayer, no matter how you say it, no matter who say it.
Now we got sugar in my moves, too.
Oh, y'all. We got us something to drink. We got some lemonade.
They say the same thing. Heads up. We're gonna need that. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Start. Y'all might not see me talking a lot because I'm trying to focus on the heat on in my mouth. This gonna hurt. Hurt bad. Especially the chicken sandwich gonna hurt. Here we go.
I already see. What's gonna hold me up is trying to make sure I get some ranch on it, y'all.
I don't think that's cheating.
Okay.
I'm glad they boned we just pop them on in our mouth.
Yeah, we got our wings from Dodgers.
We can get something to drink or we gotta wait. Y'all, we're looking over there because Arcadian in his wing. He sleep.
I'm trying to hurry up before he wake up. Yeah, I'm trying to buy me some time. Let my mouth sit a little bit. I'm finna go on and dip these in this ranch. That way I can just pop them in my mouth.
We can't drink nothing right.
Not until you get all the way done.
I need something to drink so bad. You mind if I loan some of your wrench? No, never mind. I'm gonna do it right.
Whatever.
No, I ain't going to swim. My stomach will be hurting.
Your chicken sandwich, so you hell.
Yeah, it is. I'm fuck. I can't talk.
Y'all, we had 2 minutes and 47 seconds. For 2 minutes and 47 seconds.
Oh my god. I just did a whole fireball. Oh my god. I'm gonna get my chicken sandwich out the way.
Y'all need something to drink.
I should have drunk some before this.
We had 3 minutes, y'all.
I gotta dance so I won't. I'm singing in on it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I ain't gonna make it.
Last wing, y'all.
What the winner get?
To say you won.
Mm-mm.
We have 4 minutes.
If I win, I gotta give you a consequence. If I lose, I still win because you use ranch, so you still lose either way it go. Whew. Whew. I don't want that.
Not eating.
You just don't know how bad my stomach burning. Excuse me.
You okay?
No. It's killing me.
I'm done, y'all. At 5 minutes and 56 seconds. I'm done.
She cheated. She didn't pour a lot of mine, like a mine. She gonna try to take my drink. I gotta hurry up. Last one. Last one. I think this too.
Y'all, he had 6 minutes and 23
Last
seconds.
one. I'm over, man.
It ain't done to you. Open your mouth, show your tongue.
Those a big thing.
I
can't swallow because you make me laugh.
Come on.
This gonna hurt. Okay.
7 minutes and 12.
Woo.
Let me turn my camera so y'all can see.
And there right there is heaven, boy.
7 minutes and 12.
Ooh. Until right there. That hurt. Ooh, my mouth burnt. This ice made me feel like I done died and came back. Oh. Ooh.
Y'all, I feel it up here, you know, not right here, but in your mouth, up there at the top of your mouth, at the back of your throat.
I think.
But the good thing is, y'all, it's hot, but it's good. It got the flavor. It tastes good.
Don't try this at home.
Unless you just really, really, really like hot stuff, y'all.
It hurt. Oh. Oh my God. The ice is not working.
Y'all got excuse to know that's a train going by. If you do this, it helps.
My lip.
Alright, y'all. Y'all, that's how us do this little 14 wings or whatever. Y'all want to see us do more hot challenges, more spicy challenges.
I will not be in it.
Make sure y'all let us know in the comments down below some stuff y'all want to see us do, and we will try our best to do what y'all say. Do y'all request.
Alright, since you lost.
I ain't lost. I won. I won.
You gotta lick this.
Y'all didn't. Shh.
She gotta lick this.
I almost cussed.
She gotta lick all this 2
Yeah,
times
I won.
hot.
Let us know down in the comments who won. I won. I was done with my food first.
You had ranch.
It don't matter.
So you was disqualified from the
ranch
start.
Is good. Ain't,
it was 2 times
if
hot.
y'all like ranch, let me know down in the comments below. Like it.
That one of the rules.
Like this video, y'all like ranch.
If y'all think she cheated, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe and like it.
Share it too.
I ain't cheat. Ranch is good.
She cheated. She cheated. You cheated, you cheated. Alright, I'm gonna go brush this out of my mouth. We gotta go.
Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and your families, and let them know what we doing, and let them know to come check out our channel. So, y'all, see y'all later.